everybody else. Don and I are gonna go for a ride. I don't feel up to doing a lot today, but I feel up to getting out a little bit. I'll explain more in a few minutes. So Julio clued me in that regular Hot Wheels and Matchbox, it's good to look at Dollar Generals. And since we're going right past this one, and that's all we're basically doing today is out cruising in the Tesla with a little something to do looking for stuff, I told Donnie to pull in. Well, they do have good Matchbox here on the end cap, but no Teslas. This is a 72 Lotus Europa special. I've not seen that one before. And here's the regular Hot Wheels. So have any of you guys used a travel step logging app besides Polar Steps? Have any advice for us of one that you like found and love? I mean, I assume that some of you, now that we've showed you that kind of app is out there, might, you know, think it's useful for us to have reviewed it and maybe want to try it for your next big trip. I don't know that it's so important for, you know, local stuff, but you know, if you were going to drive 600 miles, you might want to log your trip somehow. If you got any tips for us, we'd love to hear it. We're out there, you know, just new users trying to figure it out. Just noting that the Cape Fear River is, like you would expect, very high and muddy after the storm we had a couple days ago. Don pulled into the boat access area here at the Cape River, and we've got some Duke Energy bucket trucks and linemen repair people here.
Well, they're, I picked up part of the weekend.
I agree. Well, they're probably down this way doing recovery from the damage from the storm.
Right.
Yeah, like I said, it's really high right now. You can see it's moving fast too, and there's debris in the water. And yeah, this is Avance Ferry Bridge Boating Access, Highway 42, Moncure, North Carolina. You can be impressed that I have that from memory, but no, I'm reading the sign over there. See, entering Lee County, Cape Fear River. This is the direction on the other side, because, you know, Don was very kind and he actually turned around so I could come back and make the video. Somehow we always seem to fly by the river, and I'm like a day late and $1 short on getting the camera out. So thank you, Donnie. Yep. It's a pretty view.
So what's this?
A pumping station?
Well, it's got a cowl pillar.
Johnny would like to see this. Hey Johnny, that's for you, bud. All right, we're here in Sanford. We've been in this Walmart before. Whoa, you've been in the parking lot while I was in the Walmart.
That's right. That's a fair statement.
I know y'all think I have this love affair with Walmart, and that's actually not that true. It's really not, but anyway. I grabbed Don a new set of readers. He had lost a pair out in Austin, the pair that I got him at Walmart a few months ago. So actually did do something I needed to do in here, and this store is laid out just like Holly Springs. All right, they have some Convoys. I'm almost scared to look, and someone behind me's not happy. Oh, they have a Tesla one, yes. It's our lucky day. I'm so pleased. Let me check the other ones just to make sure there's not two. There are not two. Well, that was good fortune today. Since I'll be giving limited or no candy on Valentine's Day, I'm gonna pick this up for Johnny. I'll look for a box, but in the regular display, there just aren't many Hot Wheels. This Walmart is hopping. Donnie says the parking lot's, you know, driving out here is basically a disaster. So Don and I have never intentionally gone from the Walmart in Sanford to the Walmart in Siler City before. What highway are we on now?
421.
421, which we normally pick up a little farther north of here.
That's right,
Or
in Siler City.
In Siler City, but it runs from Sanford up there. I mean, I'm sure we've been on this stretch of road before, but not quite on a Walmart to Walmart run. It's a nice road for a U.S. highway.
Right.
Well, anyway, if we stayed on this road, this is the one we take to get to Greensboro instead of getting out on I-40 and going in a big curve north of the house. We were able to take 421, and it's much more direct. Also takes us past the Jordan Lake Dam facility. Wow, this is the nicest Valentine's Day orchid display I've seen yet. This Walmart toy department is differently set up. It's got really short little rows and I don't know. All right, there's the Hot Wheels. And there's the Matchbox. And I got a couple of Convoys, but do they have a Tesla Convoy? They do not. Not that I see, but I will double check everything. Dawn, studying the price of the Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. This one is $5, but it's really this Boulevard series, but they're really heavy. They got a lot more metal on them.
They're premium.
Premium.
My girl is showing you the proper technique. So you find these bins of Hot Wheels, right? So you take one of them and you look at them and you throw them into your cart. The cart was empty to start with. And now, so she's going to empty one of those little bins, and then she'll go to this bin and put in that bin, and then basically when she's gone through them all, she'll take the ones out of the cart.
Yeah,
circle.
We'll be here for a few minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna be here a while.
It gets faster when you're moving them from bin to bin.
Yeah, this first step is more hand motion.
And it's not a Model 3.
No, that Audi S.
Find a Tesla somewhere
right.
in here after going.
She goes through all that, and there's no Tesla. Then she's gonna be grumpy, very grumpy.
Here's a coveted red Tesla Model 3.
I found one.
He did. I'm having trouble reaching into the center.
Yeah, but I got them. I got one.
You did good, Donnie.
I hate to mention it, but there's another one of these.
There can't be more.
Yeah, another 3.
Oh, wow. Well, you know, you came, you saw, you got to look at them all. So the final total was 3 red Model 3s.
3 red Model 3s.
Don finding his first one, helping me look ever. And I think with these 3 of these big bins, or 9 compartments total, that was the most Hot Wheels I've looked through in any store.
Yeah, we found a Convoy Tesla semi-convoy at the other Walmart.
Yeah, Sanford. So it was worth driving around today.
Yeah.
Thank you, Donnie. So we're being good, sticking to our keto diet today. We're headed back to the house to get us something to eat.
Yep.
We have made another little circle today. We like circles on the GPS map. Lake looks really muddy too. Pulled in here at Bonsall, North Carolina, where they have the once a month train rides. We've done it, but not in the last few years. Well, Don knows I enjoy the view of Sharon Harris coming in the back way to the house, so he made the effort to turn on the right road. And as cold as it is today, it's certainly making a steam cloud. For an industrial view, I always find it really interesting.